Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. These will be called bat wings for Halloween. So, I'm going to show you what you need. First, you need about 2 pounds of chicken. This look about 2 pounds. Then you're going to need, see it here is brown sugar. So you're going to need about half a cup. Let's move this out the way. You're going to need about half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of honey barbecue hickory sauce. Now, this is what I did with my barbecue sauce. Is what I did is I added a little bit of applewood that I got and some regular barbecue with a dash of honey. And I'm going to stir that all up. And then I'm going to add it in here. Nothing but darkness. Okay. I'm going to add soy sauce. Just some regular soy sauce. And I am going to use a half a cup of soy sauce. So let's put soy sauce in here. Put it in here too. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Then I'm going to add some flakes. And the reason why I'm going to add some flakes is to give it a little spice, a little kick. So it's about half a teaspoon. I'm just going to grind up some flakes in there. So I got my flakes. Ooh, this smells good. And now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, right here in this bowl, I'm going to use my dye. And what you need is black food coloring dye. But most dye doesn't come in black. So, remember these colors. Red, green, yellow, and blue makes black. So I'm going to mix that up in here as well. You need 2 tablespoons of this food coloring. So some people whisk. When I'm dealing with sugar like this, I like to make sure that I don't get any sugar clumps. You hear how it sounds a little gritty? My food coloring. And it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons. There's 1. And let's see how that'll work. This is a very easy recipe to make. However, it will stain your clothes. So, you don't want to get this on your clothes. And that's why I'm not whisking it, because I don't want to get ahead and get this all on my clothes. Use gloves, because if this gets on your hand, then you will have color on your hand for days. And you want to make sure that it's open. You know, you don't want to get wing pieces. You want the whole wing. So, I mean, you even want this hook right here, because it's supposed to be a bat. So, I'm going to clean up some of this mess, and then we'll be back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate these and constantly flip them and see if they pick up that dark black color. And then we'll go from there. But it does look gross. Marinating overnight. We'll be back. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, put the wings on a mat and bake it for about an hour, hour and a half. Serve it to your guests. Throw them likes up on them wings. If you like this video, Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.